guys. It's hold on. Girl, what? Hold on. What kind of fucking soda is this?
What you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, 'cause I don't wanna hurt nobody.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start this video off with some C4 this morning instead of coffee. I like to switch it up, especially on days that I really need something a little bit more stronger, and that's when C4 comes into play. Alright, let's tap into mental health, self-care, motherhood, everything that I have been feeling and I never talk to you guys about it. I will still have to do a separate video talking about it, but oh, you look so beautiful. Look at you getting up, doing your hair, looking all cute, edges on fleek. I see you, Kiki. Hi guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I am in the car. I'm about to head to Aldi's to get a little grocery shopping in. That was Josh next to me like that. I'm trying to see. I'm gonna get some of these onions.
This what I want, margarita.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do like a quick voiceover. So this here is some bold nacho taco chips that I got. I got some more tuna fish. I got some mustard here. We have a whole new refrigerator and I pretty much threw everything out. I got some more green beans. I love the French style green beans. I got some pure vanilla here. Kennedy, my baby girl, loves these Hawaiian sweet rolls right here. Oh my god, they are like so good. They are actually almost gone. I'm so glad that I pretty much did like a video before. I got some more chicken stock. I really love this roasted chicken, rice, and what else? I think that was some spaghetti sauce. I got a really quick easy dinner, which is like this fettuccine meal. It's family size. I really love that. I add like a little seasoning to it, and I got like our favorite stuffed crust pizza, which is the 3 meats and supreme. guys, so the way I am going to do this, I am going to split these videos into three, and I'm going to talk about one subject at a time. So in today's video, I will be talking about mental health. Like, I will start with mental health because it is so freaking important, and I didn't realize how important it was until I had my 4 kids.
I got down cause moving to the slide and both ways. Dice rolling on a Las Vegas trip tonight. That only my justified. Something that
Alright, so we all have a job in this world, and you hear being a mom is one of the hardest jobs. You hear that, and when you hear it, it's like, oh, okay, like, I hear that a lot, okay. But no, being a mom is the hardest job in this world. It's the hardest job ever. Oh my God, like, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I do notice that it's a difference being a mom to one child. It's a big difference having 4 kids versus 1 or 2 kids. And yeah, so everything is like just so different for me now. I realized it when I had my daughter last year, natural. Yeah, so a lot has changed, and I'm ready to talk about it. I have like certain pictures that I could put on the screen, how bad that having a baby will mentally mess you up. It will mentally mess you up. And people do not talk about this. And, when we was growing up, we hear, don't have kids or leave the kids where they are. And it's, we hear that being young, it's not really sticking to us. It's not really clicking in our head. Can you please? It doesn't click into our head until like you get a little older. That's what I'm saying now. Hold on, guys. Like, all of my babies literally just walked in here. Hold on. I also think if you have a mental problem, you shouldn't. Yeah, I said it. You shouldn't have kids if you do have a mental problem. But then again, you wouldn't know, like I said, until like you get a little older or until you have kids, and that's when things pretty much trigger or things pretty much get worse, and it's like, okay, what is wrong with me? I'm not acting normal. This is not normal. I'm crazy. Some shit is going on. This cannot be life. And it is. So I just feel like, honestly, if you have some type of mental illness going on, you definitely should wait to have kids. Because if you have kids and you have a mental problem, then you're going to experience, you're going to have a mental problem. And then just say last year, when I had my daughter, I went through postpartum depression. I actually went through it twice, but I know for a fact when I had her last year, that's when shit really hit the fan, and that's when things really got worse. And I just want to tell my younger babies that's coming up, please wait. Please listen to Kiki. Please wait to have kids. Like, please wait. Even they say wait until you marry. It's like, let's be realistic here. Like, just wait. Like, just wait altogether. Wait, period. Definitely wait until you marry. Like, don't be out here screwing these dudes. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't just be out here. Yeah, because I know with my younger babies, they are like so in a rush to get out of their mom's house, go out here, talk to these dudes, get pregnant not knowing the things that fall behind being a parent. Honey, the baby is here. Okay, the baby is here forever. It's like, y'all better enjoy your life. Y'all better enjoy y'all little life. You guys, please listen. Keep the babies where they at, okay? Especially until you get married. They're not seeing that for no reason.